Are you a real villain?
Well, technically,
You ever caught a good guy like a real superhero? Have you ever tried a disguise? All right, I can see that I will have to teach you how to be villains. Now listen closely. Here's a little lesson in trickery. This is going down in history. If you wanna be a villain member, you have to chase a superhero on the run. Just follow my moves and sneak around. Be careful not to make a sound. Don't touch that. Now look at the that I just when I say be ready to him, not me. Let's try something else. Now watch and learn. Here's the deal. You slip and